Hi everybody, it's Jenelle from Pieces to Treasure. Now today we've got a really simple project for you. One that is really suitable for kids. Anybody from about the age of 4 can have a go at this one. We're going to make a nice placemat. So, nice fringed edges on our placemat down the sides. Now you can even make this one if you don't have a sewing machine. So that's a great one to start with. If you've got kids at home looking for something to do, this is a great project for them to start with. So we're going to make it with toweling. Of course, we've got some lovely Moda toweling here. Now all you need to do is 1/2 meter or 20 inches of toweling. So you cut your length of toweling to 20 inches long. I've done that on the mat, and then we're going to fray our edges. So the edges of our toweling already come hemmed, so they're turned over, ready to go. So it's the other two sides that we want to fray. So to do that, you can use a pin, and you just find the next thread to come out like that, and very carefully work your way along and pull that thread out like that, fraying your placemat until you've got your fringing the desired length. Now of course you need to fray both ends of your mat. Once you've got it the right length, you might discover that your fringing's a little bit wider at one end and narrower at the other end. So you might want someone to help you with this. Now you can use scissors if you like, but if you have a mat and a ruler and a rotary cutter, it's another good way of doing it. And all we're going to do is line up our 1/2 inch line on our ruler with the last thread on the edge of our fringing there, like that. So I'm lining up my 1/2 inch mark on the edge of that fabric, and you can see it's a little narrower here and wider up the other end. And I'm going to cut that off like that. And now my fringing is exactly even all the way along. So you can keep on fringing until you've got it the length that you would like. Now, if you want to, you can use a sewing machine at this point. And you can zigzag, put your machine on a zigzag stitch, and you're going to sew just along here with your zigzag, all the way along the edge of the base of the fringing like that. And the reason we do that is so when you wash your placemat, it doesn't fray some more. That zigzagging helps to hold those threads in place, and you can use this placemat over and over again. So just to recap, all you need is 20 inches or 1/2 meter of toweling, and these come in all sorts of wonderful different colors and stripes. They're already hemmed on the edges, ready for you to make your very own placemat. So have a bit of fun with some fraying fabric today. Thanks for watching. Bye.